Naturally improved eyesight makes people happier. A person who sees unclear is not that happy about life because everything is blurry around him. People who improve vision naturally, like me, got a perception of the world as more colorful, contrast and bright. A person becomes more confident when he understands how his eyes work. It happens that the person who lived all his life didn't know about that they can see so colorful and clear world around them. The world is huge and beautiful, and it's really nice and pleasurable to see it clearly well. It is a different feeling when you walk by the streets and you can see everything you look at. For example, people begin to notice the movements around which have never seen that there, such visual functions about which a person never even thought, because we only measure the eye charts table from an ophthalmologist to check a clear vision. Subscribe to my channel for more great information about your eyes.